all fly front toss. You're going to be here with your setup with the flat glove on your hand here. And what you're going to do is the ball comes in, you're going to time up the pitch gun, you're going to go here, you're going to tap the ground with your foot and the paddle should come out, the ball should hit the paddle at the same time, or the flat glove. Okay? So this is just a slap, it's a tap slap to it. Just put ball on the ground right here at the same time. This is going to be a tap slap. Okay? Ella, can you come up first? Tap slap. Good, good. So, you're peeling off too fast. So you guys wait for the ball, right? Catch the ball here, right? As your foot hits, boom, right there. Foot hits, ball hits, flat glove. Good, good. Might have to jump out at it. Good. You can actually open the glove and catch it if you want to. So, that was good. When you go there, though, stay in balance. You're a little bit like this with the hit. Stay in balance right there. Okay? Stay in balance. Good. 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 Hold your footwork on that one. Don't come out yet.
Okay.
Hold your footwork. Don't come out yet. Good. Good. Nice job. Good. Nice. Into the water, we were feeling alright. Back down a country road, the girls are always hot and the beer is ice cold. Oh, nice job. Cadillac, horns on the hood. My buddy Frankie had his dad hooking up good. Girls smile when we roll by. They hop in the back and we cruise to the riverside. Good job. Good. All right, now you guys can come out a couple steps. Now you're going to tap, you're going to come out tap, and then come out. 2 steps towards the front toss screen. Oh, a little early. Tap it first, then come out. Breaking it down a little bit. Tap it, then come out. Come on. Yeah, good. Straight out. Good. Straight out. Don't peel. Straight out towards the front toss screen. Yep. Time it, then come out. Try not to do it all together. Yeah. Good. Try not to trouble. That's good. Yeah. Try not to peel off these too quick. Good job. Then come out. Good. Yep. 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 Good job. Good job. Whoa! Good job. Hey, put those flat gloves down and you grab it back. All right, Brent, I like to get back.